Good morning, student. Now I am going to explain you types of chemical bond. We have studied that chemical bond is made by either loose, gain and sharing of electron. So that's why according to that there are three types of chemical bond. First is electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Second is covalent bond and third is coordinate linkage. The first type of bond, electrovalent bond or ionic bond. I am going to explain you what is this bond. This chemical bond is made by metals and non-metals by complete transfer of electron. Now we have studied in lesson 3. Now metal have tendency to lose electron for completing its octet and non-metals have tendency to gain electron. So in this bond, metal loses electron to become cation and non-metal gains electron to become anion. There is electrostatic force of attraction between cations and anions. You know, cations are positively charged and anions are negatively charged. There is an electrostatic force of attraction between the cation and anion. This is called electrovalent bond or ionic bond. It is called ionic bond because there is ions are present. It is called electrovalent bond because there is an electrostatic force of attraction between them. I am going to give the example of sodium chloride. See this solidus dot structure of sodium. Its electronic configuration is 281 and it has one more electron than its complete octet. So it loses one electron and it becomes cation. Chlorine, it has electronic configuration 287. Now it also have to complete its octet by gaining one electron. When it gains one electron, it becomes anion. Its octet is completed now. Now there is a, see this dotted line is showing the ionic bond. This is the electrostatic force of attraction between cation and anion. See, the electrovalent bond is non-directional in nature. Non-directional means the cation and anion can attract the opposite ion from any direction. Okay? Ionic bond, ionic compound exists in only solid state because there is a strong electrostatic force of attraction between them. So there is another compound. This is calcium chloride, CaCl2. See, this is Lewis dot structure of calcium. Electronic configuration of calcium is 288. It has 2 valence electron and for completing its octet, it will lose 2 electrons and these electrons are gained by this 2 chlorine atom for completing its octet. Here you will see 2 chloride ion is joined by this calcium ion. This is, see, this is electrostatic force of attraction. This is ionic bond. Now I am going to discuss the properties of electrovalent compound. What are the properties of types of attraction force between the constituent particle is deciding its states. Ionic compounds are always solid. They do not conduct electricity in solid state. they can conduct electricity in fused means melted state or when dissolved in water, because ions are free to move. Ions are carrier of electricity. Ionic bond is non-directional. And they are hard and brittle. When pressure is applied, it is broken into small pieces, and they have high melting and boiling point. So these are the properties of ionic compound. Now I am going to discuss covalent bond. We know covalent bond is made by sharing of electron between the atoms of same electronegativity or less electronegativity. This type of chemical bond is made by atoms of either similar element or different element to make molecule. Molecule can exist freely. For example, molecule of element. When covalent bond is made by same type of atom, this is called molecule of element. For example, H2O2, N2, Cl2, etc. And molecule of compound, when covalent bond is made by sharing of electron with the different types of atom, then it is called molecule of compound like H2O, HCl, SO2, etc. Okay, there are different types of covalent bond. That is single bond as made in hydrogen. C is hydrogen has two electrons sharing with each other, and it is formed making single. When there is sharing of one pair of electron, it forms single bond, double bond. When there is a sharing of two pair of electron, it is making double bond. See this? When there is a sharing of two pair of electron, then there is double bond is formed, as for example in oxygen, and triple bond as formed in nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number is 7. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration, that is 2,5. It needs 3 electrons to complete its octet. So it will do sharing of 3 pair of electron. There is a triple bond between the nitrogen. Likewise, see the H2O, oxygen. Okay, it will share, hydrogen will share electron, and see this hydrogen will make single bond with the oxygen to make water molecule. So these are the covalent bond. Now I am going to discuss coordinate linkage. Coordinate linkage is also made by sharing of electron. Coordinate linkage is also made by sharing. It is made by sharing of electron between two atoms, but both shared pair of electron is given by only one atom. It is called donor, and other atom is called acceptor. Other atom is called acceptor. It is represented by an arrow which is from donor to acceptor. For example, here NH3 and PF3. See here boron, it has 3 valence electron, and with fluorine it is making bond. See here, its octet is not completed. Here it has one lone pair of electron. This lone pair of given, this lone pair of electron from the ammonia is shared pair by the is shared with the boron, and this is coordinate linkage. So it is represented as BF3 and H3. This lone pair is given by nitrogen, so arrow is facing this side, and this is coordinate linkage. This coordinate linkage is found in complex compound which has complex ion.